Say hello, yeah. Here we are at Thailand beach. What's this beach called?
Malibu.
Malibu. They call it Malibu. It's Malibu, like in America. You know, one of the things about this place is you don't get any fat girls. They're all skinny. Everywhere else they're fat, but here there's no fat girls. Yeah. His son, this is life. This is it. He'll be happy to do this for the rest of his life. Just like this, like last month. Every day the same. Yeah. All he needs is like a different girl every 3 or 4 weeks and he's happy. They get a load of it, eh? Nice white beaches. It's like really nice here. This is my second day. The first day I couldn't do anything because I was pretty much too stuffed. But today it's starting to get a bit easier. Let's take a look around. I need to get a hat. Kind of nice, sunny and hot here. But I tell you what, it's amazing because you kind of like adapt to the heat quite quickly. You know, in Spain it's quite cold, and as soon as you leave Spain and you feel the heat, you just forget about it. It's just like, what cold? I didn't see any cold. And you just sit there and so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
En España hace que 12 grados, 14 grados. ¿Sabes? Yo se fue 2 días, hace 2 días estaba ahí.
Sí, aquí en esta playa sobre todo siempre está así.
El agua es cristalina.
No, es preciosa.